Intro.
Ayan na, for today's video.
For today's video po, good morning po sa inyo lahat mga kabudol. Andito po kami ngayon sa Naik, ang Budol TV.
Sino yung kamiyembro mo?
Ito yung miyembro ko.
Mambo.
Si Rico Mambo po. Yan. Tsaka si Arvin Santos po ng San Miguel Corporation. Yan. Kasama nga po namin si Spider-Man. Pakita mo si Spider-Man.
Wala dito. Wala.
What is up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your Tito Walid III and I'm your professional Tito. For today's video, we'll be having an adventure with the By His Grace Community Church. So the man had invited me to join the fellowship at San Diego River, Naik, Cavite.
Brother Mike, oh! Shit! Nakalasing ka pa, ha? Hindi. Wala pa mata mo. Hindi. Ano? Kaya ka nagkakape.
Kakape pa.
Kuyat?
A few moments later.
So guys, during this moment, as you can see, we have lost a rider. I mean, we have left behind a rider. Guess who's the rider is? It's Spider-Man. Alright, at this moment we have just arrived at Brother Arvin's crib because he's a local in Naik, so he will lead us from their crib going to San Diego River. And at their crib we're gonna gather all the kitchen and cooking utensils we're gonna need because we're gonna prepare our lunch by the river, have lunch by the river, and it's gonna be
awesome. Yeah.
And there you have it. We went to the market to buy some foods and ingredients that we will be cooking. By the way, we have another brethren is I think partially blind or totally blind. He's with us during the whole ride. He is Brother Ronald and he'll gonna take over my vlog. So please check this out.
Anong ginagawa nyo ngayon dito?
Ha?
Anong ginagawa nyo ngayon?
Namimili ko kami ng kakainin, maliligo po kami
Palengke,
sa ilog.
malamang namimili tayo dito.
Sa palengke. Anong ilog ngayon pupunta natin, brother?
San Diego.
Sa San Diego po, parang
California.
California.
Saka pa ng California yun. Mga kabudol. Ngayon kasi kaming 5 dias na ibanyas pang kasama eh.
Bulagar TV.
Bulager TV.
Follow niyo po.
Follow nyo Bulager. Wala po kayong mapapanood.
Saan ka na wala
Pala si
Shoutout
Nay, Nay, like nyo lang na ya.
Kanino na Shoutout kanino?
Shoutout po kayo,
Ito
Nay.
po kayo. Ito po kayo.
Gusto yung batiin.
Wala naman.
Shout out sa inyo.
Ayun, yun.
Buto o ano?
Budol-budol TV po.
Content po namin natawag po kami sa Billy.
Halos ibigay na lang.
Pagtawad.
Hanggang sa ibigay na lang yung paninda.
Kayo na pala yun.
Opo. Kaya
Yun.
kabudol.
Kaya nga ho ang pangalan po. Kaya nga pong pangalan, budol-budol po eh.
Sa New York.
Yan.
Pakita ko sa mga ano.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Subscriber isa.
Sino?
Si Manny to, in-interview namin ito eh.
Oo, yung mga inaano nyo.
Harap ka lagi sa camera.
Ito na po kami isang subscriber.
Nagpasend agad kami ng stars. Isa po lang.
Nagla-like na agad, wala pa yung video.
Sabi ng nanay.
So there you have it. I just finished my 5K walk. It's my evening walk. I'm here right now at Lawson near Sanglipo, and let's continue with the video. At this moment we have arrived at San Diego River and it's about time that we have to prepare lunch.
Merong photoshoot na nagaganap sa likuran. Time check, alauna na.
Ano yan? Talon ka?
Oo.
Sipit yata yan
Sipit nga yan.
May sipit bro, may
Sipit na.
sipit. Sumipit na.
Ayan, lumabas. Ayan na.
What the heck?
Asa ba na mesa? Hawak-hawak lang ako. natin sa kalikasan na ginawa niya. So tayo magsisimula ngayon ng Bible study at dito natin gaganapin sa San Diego na Cavite, San Diego River.
So at the moment my phone died, and a couple of hours we are finished with the Bible sharing and continue swimming at the river. Actually can't swim, we're just chilling at the river. It's like a jacuzzi. We chill there until 5 in the afternoon, and then we pack up and bounce. All's well that ends well. An unforgettable experience for this year 2025.